Even he had a conscience tucked away somewhere, as I suppose. Adopted her like she was his very own. You could say it was good luck for her, I guess.
15 years sweating the living hell over a chopped up child! 15 years. Dreaming that perhaps I could come home. Loving wife and child. Let them look weak in their boots. Judge Turpin and Beetle Bamford. For their hour has come.
You're going to get him? You? Bleating little nobody of a runaway convict? Don't make me laugh. You'll never catch his high and mightiness, nor the beagle neither. Not in a million years. You got any money? Listen to me, you've got any money?
No money.
Well, then how are you going to live, even?
I'll live. Even by the sweat of the bloody sewer of the plague hospital, I'll live. And I will have them.
You poor thing. You poor thing. Wait. Say, doesn't have to be the sewers of the plague hospital. When they took the little girl, I hid him. I thought, who knows? Maybe the poor blight will be back again someday and need him. Cracked an egg, wasn't I? I could get 5, maybe 10 quid for him any day.